Welcome to Radio Spark, the voice of Jaipuria.
Hello everyone and welcome to RJ Studio Radio Spark, the voice of Jaipuria. This is Pankaj Rathod, the headmaster of the school, and I'm here to welcome Miss Shilpi, who has come all the way from Bangalore to meet her dear children. And I would like to hear it from straight from the horse's mouth. What is like all her feeling all about?
Thank you so much, sir, for giving me such a warm welcome. And before I share my feelings, I would definitely like to share this that, I have been part of Jaipuria for last 3 years. So I joined them in 2018 in the month of April. And because of the transferable job, of course, we moved out to Bangalore. But my heart has always been in Jaipuria. So it's like heart is always at home. So it's something like, coming back to my home. And it's absolutely amazing and wonderful to be back and to meet all of you and to meet my students, getting such a warm welcome from everyone. It's absolutely great.
Yeah, I can feel that because you said that your heart is here, but in the classes your heartbeat was there. All the children, the way they welcomed you, they were so happy. Even in fact, they left their present English teachers class and they wanted to study again from Shilpi. So that's a secret. I want to keep it with ourselves only. But my next question, I think you have seen the infrastructure of this building, built phase 2, probably for the first time. So how would you rate that, and how would you as per the good schools in all over India we have? So how would you rate the kind of infrastructure that we have?
I think it's completely on international standards. So completely on international standards. You have such a fantastic RG room over here. You have a great basement with a great sports facility, and I saw the size of the classrooms also very, very big, very well ventilated, and with technology, of course, booming every part of the building, and quite broad corridors where children don't have to bump into each other. They can easily form their own lines and walk separately. So I think everybody's got a space over here that is very nice. And moreover, when you enter the building, there's a kind of aura that's there, the kind of charisma that's there. So that's absolutely amazing. So I think no school can match up to this standard. I don't think so. At least in Lucknow or maybe even in Uttar Pradesh, there's no school like St. Anandram Jaipuria, and I definitely recommend. It's a pleasure to have your child study over here, for sure.
Wow. That's so motivating for all of us. Shilpi, just one more thing. You might have seen someone really important into like today's when you come here and you have seen the office without her.
Yeah.
So what one thing that you would like to send a message across to her, our dear principal, Mrs. Poonam Kochati? I would like to hear it from you.
I think she is the wind beneath the wings. She is the one who propels each and every one over here, and she has such an infectious energy and spirit. It kind of passes on to everybody. So, ma'am, I mean, of course, I'm missing you over here.
This is for you, ma'am. Yeah.
I really wanted to meet you. I was looking forward to it, but definitely there's always a next time. So when I'm here, I'll definitely ensure that I meet you. And ma'am, you have shaped me. You have motivated me so much. You have been such an anchor for me in my good times and my bad times, and I can never forget that. And I have never felt that I'm not part of Jaipuria anymore. I've always felt that even though I'm thousands of kilometers away from Lucknow, but I'm still part of this family. So it's all because of you, ma'am. And I see school growing so much under your guidance, and all the very best. And in case I can be of any help to school or to any student over here, it will be more than a pleasure for me.
You have always been a great help, Shilpi, without a doubt about it. And when we were taking the round of the school, Shilpi ma'am kept on talking about Mr. Jaipuria, his broad vision, Mr. Malhotra, his the advice is being given at with the period of time that is helping the school to come up so well. So any message for your dear chairman, sir, and Vinod, sir?
I think, sir, our chairman, sir, he has a fantastic vision. He has always the welfare of the child in his heart. So whenever, any endeavor that he's taking, it's always child-centric. He's always thinking about how students can benefit. So I think, and it is quite visible in the kind of infrastructure that we have here. So it's completely child-centric. It's such a wonderful place to be in. So thank you so much, sir, for actually raising the bar for everyone. And although I'm coming from a city like Bangalore, but believe you me, this kind of an infrastructure I've not seen even there. So it's completely amazing. And Vinod sir, I can never forget those little comments that you keep sharing and those guidance that you keep giving, and your Gita, the way you have deciphered, and the way you tell us the meaning of each and everything. It's there in my heart. So thank you so much.
Thank you so much, and I would like to thank Gaurav and Anubhav for arranging this talk, the Candid Talk show. And I think I for the first time ever in my life, I'm handling this kind of chair and the mic, right? And all thanks to Shilpi again, because she only motivated me to come on this chair and take her interview. And I'm glad that Shilpi is here, and I'm waiting for the moment that she'll join us back. So with this, Headmaster Pankaj Rathore signing off from RJ Studio. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Welcome to Radio Spark, the voice of Jaipuria.